Today we're talking about what it takes to be a great creative project manager. So in today's whiteboard session, I want to talk about a few challenges, some skills, and how to get from good to great. Well, first of all, in any project and leading any team, it requires a high level of awareness of self and others. But working with creatives, it takes even more. Here's why. Number one, you're working with the big picture of not only the project, but also the deliverables of all the creatives. And you're managing the daily details of each and ensuring that you get from start to finish on time. Well, here are a few challenges. Number one, when you're working with creatives, their deliverables are like their creative expressions. So when you provide input or feedback, you have to be very sensitive. Number two, project definition. In a lot of creative projects, sometimes can be vague and changing quite often. Also, the deadlines are firm deadlines, so there's not a lot of room to move them. Number four, the roles. Because in the creative projects, there are typically different types of creatives doing different types of work on the project. So that just adds many different ones. Understanding how to work with their different types of deliverables and their personalities. So with the personalities, sometimes some creatives can be too detail-oriented, and on the opposite extreme, they may have not enough details. And then number six, the scope. Sometimes with a creative, they can have their own interpretation of the scope, and many times they try to gold plate what they're doing. Well, let's look at some skills. Number one, again, awareness of self and others. Number two, the big picture plus managing the details. Number three is having experience with creatives really helps. Number four, having integrity and honesty in what you're saying about the team, about the project, about the deliverables, or any other issues. Number five, communication. Remembering there are different types of communication styles for different types of people on your team. Number six, being able to inspire and motivate the creatives with many different personalities. Also related to that is managing the conflict that's normally going to arise. And then having the flexibility, adaptability, and agility. So what does it take to get from good to great? Well, it's part creative, part manager, managing the overall big picture, as well as the day-to-day details, and all results, ensuring you're getting the results on time, within budget, and according to the scope. So beyond details and task, emotions are everything with creatives. Also, beyond status report, communication still matters, ensuring again that you're following and considering different communication styles. So here are three critical keys. Number one, empathy. With any kind of team members, creatives, they're all team members or humans. So when you're dealing with them, providing feedback and communications, remembering empathy. Number two, again, communication styles. And number three, ensuring that your tools are up to date and relative to the type of project you're doing. So if you need a tool that can help you with your creative project, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.